Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and in this video we are going to discuss the NID exam paper pattern, and I'll discuss in detail the NID exam 2023. All the details you need to know before appearing for an NID exam. So let's get started with this video. Now, what is NID exam? So NID is a national level entrance exam which is conducted by National Institute of Design for admitting candidates to Bachelor of Design and Master of Design courses offered by them. There are total 7 campuses of NID, which are Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Kurukshetra, Vijayawada, Bhopal and Assam. These are 7 campuses. There is a different intake for different campuses into different courses, which we can discuss in a later video. If you want, just comment down below that you want a video about it. Now coming to Bachelor of Design courses, so I'll list out the courses that are offered by NID for Bachelors of Design. So it offers Film and Communication Design, Exhibition Design, Animation Design, Graphic Design, Foundation Program, Ceramic and Glass Design, Furniture and Interior Design, Product Design and Textile Design. I'm talking about the eligibility criteria. So for bachelors, you need to be 10 plus 2 equivalent from a recognized board, as well as the age limit is that you should not be more than 20 years as on July of the year. And for master's program, you should have a bachelor's degree in any discipline or a diploma in design. So it follows a 10 plus 2 plus 4 system, and the age limit is that you should not be more than 30 years. Now coming to NID exams. So what NID exam is actually? So NID is divided into 2 exams basically. The first is DAT prelims and the second is DAT mains. The DAT prelims is a written test and it is MCQ plus drawing exam, and the DAT mains is basically a studio test where this is a combination of portfolio, interaction plus drawing. So now talking about the pattern for NID prelims. There are 2 sections in this exam. The first is MCQ section and the second is subjective type. The MCQ section has total 22 questions of 30 marks, and the subjective type has 4 questions which have different marking scheme for each question, and it is of 70 marks. Now coming to the marking scheme. So the question number 1 to 40, 1 mark each, and question 15 to 22 are 2 marks each. Question 23 and 25, which is subjective type, is 15 marks each, and 24 and 26 are 20 marks each. So this sums up the total to 100 marks paper for NID prelims. Now coming to NID exam subjects, so you need to focus on aptitude, English, GK and current affairs and drawing part for appearing for NID prelims. I have already a lot of videos posted on my channel regarding the same, regarding all these 4 subjects. You can just check out the link in the description box below, or you can go to my channel and check out the playlist for NID exam preparation. Now coming to NID prelims, you need to focus on these 4 subjects basically, that is quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, GK and current affairs and English. And for NID mains, you can focus on doodling, 3D modeling, creative thinking and observation test. Registrations are open. You can apply for NID exam at www.admissions.nid.edu. The link would be in the description box below, and also check out our Instagram page at design_mania.gb. I would also like to tell you about this workshop which is being conducted by Top Rankers India. It is a career discovery and decision making workshop which is being conducted on 27th November at 11 am. The speaker of the session would be Sukriti Gagrani, who is a popular career coach, and the session would be of 90 minutes. There would be an open house at the end. Exciting quizzes and games would be there, and there would also be free giveaways. You would also unlock 6 free mock tests from different fields, and there will also be a one-on-one mentoring session with academic counselors. The registration link would be in the description box below. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.